Hi, good evening. Well, we've finally seen a bit of blue sky pushing through that cloud in the Western Cape. At the moment, we've started to feel a little bit like grey is the new blue for our sky. But of course, we're still enjoying that rainfall, especially in the winter months, but also welcome the sunshine that everybody else is enjoying across the country at the moment. In fact, that sunny weather continues across the country. Now, the reason for the cloud this morning is a weak cold front passing over the southern part of South Africa. It brought in showers in the southwest early on Wednesday morning, and it's kept temperatures cool over the southern part of the country. For tonight, you'll see a dry night in store for the majority of South Africa, but we're expecting a bit of drizzle into KwaZulu-Natal, and that might even push in all the way through to the escarpments as we head overnight. Fog is also forecast along the southern coastline, and you'll see that drizzle settling in over the far northeastern part of the country on Thursday morning. Sunny and warmer weather is forecast over the western part of South Africa, but with a cooler day expected over the northeastern parts after a sizzling hot Wednesday into the Lowveld. Strong winds gust along the eastern coastline on Wednesday evening. You'll see a high pressure ridging in along that coastline, and that results in that cooler air being pushed in over the northeastern parts. Fresh winds are forecast along the western coastline with light winds expected across the interior, and we'll see fresh northeasterly winds along the east coast on Thursday. Overnight minimum temperatures are quite mild over the eastern parts. 12 degrees into Pretoria and Polokwane as well as Mahikeng, 9 degrees for Johannesburg, Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, 17 degrees for Richards Bay with Bombela and Durban at 16, 10 as we head towards Port Elizabeth and Cape Town, but you'll still see minimum temperatures dropping into the single digits across the central and southern interior, 3 for De Aar, Bloemfontein and Graafrenet. On Thursday, cooler weather is forecast over the northeastern parts, Bombela and Polokwane, both in the low 20s. Maximum temperatures continue to peak in the mid-20s for Gauteng, 28 as we head towards Kimberley, 32 degrees for Uppington, with that warm air starting to move in from the north, 21 for Cape Town and George, with a mild Thursday in store, and then you'll see a warm afternoon for Graafrenet and Ladysmith, both at 27 degrees. As we head into the end of the work week, you'll see a sunny and dry day across South Africa. Warm temperatures are forecast across the interior with a hot day for the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal. Quite cool though for the Western Cape, with highs heading back into the teens. And then as we head into Saturday, we'll see a very big change in the weather along the southern and southeastern coastline. You'll see cloudy conditions with the possibility of rainfall and a large amount of cooling as well. Maximums head into the mid-teens between George and East London, with that cooler weather also through to KwaZulu-Natal, but with that sunny and warm weather continuing across South Africa's interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. I'll be back with a more detailed forecast a bit later on.